Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay. Today in MS Excel, we are going to learn about search, how by using data validation, we can select and highlight any data by name, date, or any other category. For example, suppose I want to search the data here by name, so I have entered the name here. Suppose I type the name Lucky here, and as soon as I type Lucky and press enter, that data is automatically highlighted here. Similarly, if I type Sana here and press enter, that data is automatically highlighted here as well. So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to do this. First of all, I will remove the formatting from this data here. We will select all the cells like this. If we want to remove the formatting, we will go to Conditional Formatting, then to Clear, and select Clear Rules from selected cells. All the rules that we had applied to the selected cells have now been removed. Now, you need to write the data like this for practice. After that, you need to select all the data like this except for the heading. After selecting the data, we need to click on the Home tab. We will go to Conditional Formatting and then you need to click on New Rule. As soon as we click on New Rule, this new Formatting Rule dialog box will open in front of you. Now after that, what we need to do here is select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. We will click here and then you need to click in this cell only. Remember, you have to click after selecting all the data and do not select the heading. Now what we need to do next is, the very first thing is to select the cell from where we want to search the data, that is this cell. After that, you need to type is equal to here and then select the column through which you want to search, whether it's by name, by course, or by date. So for now, I am going to do it name-wise, so we will click here. After clicking, you will notice that the dollar sign appears twice, that is at the beginning as well. Then after the column number, we also see the dollar sign here. So when we click here, we will remove the second dollar sign from here, and after that you will go to Format. After clicking on Font, we will set the fill color here. I have selected blue color, and then for the font color, I am going to make it bold and set it to orange color. After that, I clicked OK here. Now after clicking OK, I clicked OK again here, and after that you can see that the formatting has been applied here. Now if I type anyone's name, for example, I typed Anil here and pressed enter, you can see that Anil's data is being highlighted here. If we type here, let's say Mohan, then Mohan's data is also being highlighted here. If I type here, let's suppose Zahid, then Zahid's data is also being highlighted here. So in this way, you can easily search the data. So this was my lecture for today in which I taught you how to search data using conditional formatting. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.